A very good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start with NIOS Board Secondary Course English with lesson number 20, New Good Things from Rubbish. Children, we all have been using the resources of this earth extensively. All the time we are in need of resources, the natural resources mostly. And for that we are using it because we have to survive. Because we have to meet our needs. But children, if we keep on making new things without reusing the old ones or by recycling the old ones into reusable things, we will all the time make the use of a natural resource, a very precious resource, all the new every time, which is very, which is very bad actually. Therefore, what we should do, that wherever possible, we should always try to reuse and recycle. Recycling of paper, recycling of metal, recycling of glass and recycling of plastic is very much possible. If the things that are there for the trash which are not of our use, we don't recycle them, what will happen? It will keep on collecting, and if we don't recycle them, we will put them into fire, which will cause environmental damage. Is this good? No, not good at all. Therefore, recycling paper is very important, because if we keep on cutting trees, the day will come when there will be no tree for us to even to breathe. Making paper is something out of the question. Then metals, yes, few metals should be recycled extensively, like aluminium, because it is the largely used metal for many of the uses around us, for our vehicles also. Now recycling of glass, yes, it can be recycled. And recycling of plastic, all the children, recycling of plastic cannot be done always because of the quality, quality of the plastic deteriorates with every recycling, and some of the plastics are so bad that we cannot recycle them. But as far as it is possible, we should. This keeps us going with our resources, available resources to say, for a longer period of time. Therefore, recycling and reusing the things is very, very important. Okay. Now another important thing, children, about glass is that when a broken glass is there, of howsoever many colors there may be, if they have to convert into a new piece of glass, it will always come up as a green glass. Okay. So whenever you see a green glass, remember that it is reused and recycled glass. All right. In the same way, paper, we recycle a lot. Metal, nowadays it's very cost friendly also to recycle aluminium, the extensively used metal, because it is all the electricity and all the manpower and all the resources that has to be put into it to extract it from bauxite, it has been done. So now recycling is very easy and cost effective also. So children, new good things from rubbish, making them, using them largely is very important to save ourselves, to save earth, and to give the earth in a better condition to the future generations. All right. Children, I think you have understood the chapter well, and read the chapter well, do your preparation, and all the best for your boards. Thank you.